innocent child with your open eyes. You've seen us for who we really are, and I know that there'll be tomorrow, so that hope can have its glory day. And I wish that this world would embrace you, for magic, stars, and mystery, my open heart. Why did we make it so hard? This life is so complicated until we see it through the eyes of a child. Why did we make it so hard? This life is so complicated until we see it through the eyes of a child. guess you're right. If I sink into your sleep and make it deep, I guess you're